Hello.
Hi, welcome to the test. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Han. I'm 9 years old. I'm born.
What school do you go to?
It's,
What's the name of the school?
it's a nice school.
Good.
I go to school.
You go to By My School, right?
Yes.
Good boy. Do you like it?
Yes.
Good. Alright, so let's talk about your class. How many students in your class?
It's
How many students? 50, 60?
50.
Huh?
50.
50 students?
50 students.
How many boys?
And 6.
How many boys? How many boys?
16 boy
How many girls?
and 17.
Really? What's the name of your teacher?
It's my
Huh? What's your teacher's name?
name.
Teacher, my teacher's name.
Girls.
Okay. And do you study in a small room or a big room?
It's small.
Small room. Good. Alright. Now let's talk about after school, okay? So here's Billy. What does Billy do after school? So the first one, he's going, huh? Swimming. Good. What about this one? Eating dinner. Good. What about this one? Do homework. Very good. This one? Watching TV. Excellent. The last one?
Goes to bed.
Goes to bed. Well done. So let's talk about like and likes. So first question, what do you want for your birthday?
I like.
What do you want?
Police car.
Police car.
Police car.
Okay, very good. Do you like chocolate?
No, I don't.
Do you like balloons?
No, I don't.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I do.
Good. What about this boy here? Does he like cars?
Yes.
Yes, he does.
Yes, she does.
Does he like trains?
Yeah, she does.
He.
He like train.
Okay, what about the girl? What does she like?
She like chocolate, balloon,
And
and sweet.
very good. Alright, so let's look at this one here about time. So what time does he get up? He gets up
We get at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, good. What time does he eat breakfast?
At 8 o'clock.
Okay, he eats breakfast.
He
Breakfast,
have very good at 8 o'clock.
very good. What time does he go to school?
He go to school at 9 o'clock.
Very good. Alright, so let's look at the working place. What building is this? It's a
A school,
good. What's this one?
hospital,
Very good. This one?
airport,
Good.
police station,
Very good.
shop.
Excellent. Does a policeman work in a police station?
Yes, yes he does.
Good. Does a policeman work in a hospital?
No, she does.
Does a policeman work in a school?
No, she does.
Does a teacher work in a school?
Yeah, she does.
Good. Alright, let's look at the weather. So we have 5 types of weather. Alright? The first
It's
one,
windy.
windy. Next one,
It's cold.
good.
It's sunny.
Good.
It's snowing.
Very good.
It's cloudy.
Well done. Excellent. Alright, so we'll just go through the different words. Alright? I'll give you the sound and you give me the word. Flat.
Flat.
Alright. Next one, blah.
Balloon.
Balloon. But look up here, take the word from here. Blah.
Black.
What's this word?
Black.
Snap.
Stop. Snake.
Snake, good. And the last one,
Stair.
stove.
Stove.
Good. Well done. So we're nearly finished. Can you spell some words? Yeah? Can you spell homework? Homework. School.
And
S. Good.
C-A-O-O-M.
Very good. Can you spell windy?
W-I-N-D-Y.
Good. And the last one, sunny.
S-U-N-N-Y.
Good. That's the end of the test. So thank you. Thank you.